friends. It's Christy, Lundy,
Angela Pinamonti with Vista's Best.
and we are here today at Belching Beaver Pub 980 with Karye Wallace.
Woohoo!
And
Cheers to beer!
Oh,
we
cheers!
Oh, still that one.
Cheers, somebody else's beer. So,
You can't drink that one.
We're gonna drink.
It just rolled up.
she's on duty. But we're here today to learn a little bit more about Belching Beaver and Pub 980. So, tell us about Belching Beaver's history here in Vista.
Goodness, this location has been around. October will be our 6th year, and yeah, it's been a lot of fun. We got to see it right before, or as everybody else was kind of building up the Hop Highway. So to see it go from like 1 or 2 breweries to, I think Vista has at least 14 or 16 right now.
Oh, I don't even think they have more than that. It's
Yeah,
crazy, yeah.
probably. It's great. It's really been fun to see that change and the jump.
And why Vista for Belching Beaver Pub 980?
Why Vista? They were really great to work with. We have a guild meeting, and the Vista, the Chamber of Commerce, come out and meet with us regularly. It is easier with all the warehouses and everything, so we can fit our equipment.
So there's space for you.
More space, so we can have all the more production.
And Vistans love beer, right?
And Vista loves beer.
So, like, Pub 980 is a new creation for Belching Beaver because everyone knows there's a downtown location, but this is actually Belching Beaver's original headquarters, right?
This is.
Yeah.
Yes. And we changed it to say Pub 980 because we were trying to, 980 is our address.
Yep.
So we try to separate that from the one in downtown.
Yeah.
Do you have any other future plans besides bringing in Pub 980? You know, that's here now, so everyone can come get food at the 980 Park Center Drive in Vista. Any other future plans for Belching Beaver?
Yes, actually, we have. We're looking at other locations, different places. We're trying to go maybe up north a little bit. For this spot, we still have some plans on building out. We're going to build out like a tent for private events and
Oh,
parties.
that's awesome.
That'll be really fun. And we'll do a stage on the patio so we can maybe have some music and bands all the time.
Wow, that's gonna be so cool.
Yeah.
That's exciting. So what specialties, like if you had one specialty food-wise and one specialty beer-wise,
Ooh.
what are
known
those?
for, yeah.
Give us those.
Okay. Well, what we're known for is our peanut butter milk stout.
Yep.
But I would say our specialty is probably all of our IPAs.
I'm having the Here Comes Mango right now, which is
Yes.
a mango IPA that's amazing. It's really good.
I love that one. That's probably my favorite fruited one we have. But we have several awards for like our double, triple IPAs. So I would say our double our specialty. For food, that's a good question. We have some good stuff. Our loaded tots.
People love that.
Yeah.
I'm very excited about yes.
Yeah.
The tots are really
Come here
good.
for the tater tots.
I could not get enough tater tots. It's dangerous. But yeah, and I think at the other location they have a little bit extra stuff. They have some really good Brazilians in too.
I've seen that on the menu over there, the downtown Vista one.
Yeah.
They got
We
a
love
huge
the pretzels. Are the pretzels the same here?
The pretzel is the same, but it's one.
That's
A little
okay.
bit bigger.
I can order 3.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you have to come get the IPAs, come get the pretzels, come get the loaded tater tots. Just tell them a little bit when the hours when this place is open, when they can come check it out.
Of course, we're open every day at 11:30 a.m. And then Sundays we close between 7 and 8. And then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesdays it's 8 o'clock. Thursday, Friday, Saturdays it's 10 o'clock.
That's great. So 7 days a week
7
is
days
also kind of unique in this area.
Yeah. A lot of people close on a Monday or Tuesday, but we're open.
Awesome.
They're open for your beer needs.
Yeah.
And your tot needs.
Yes.
So check out Belching Beaver Pub 980 here in Vista. Definitely one of Vista's best.
See you later.
Thanks, Karye.
Bye.